Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can load new levels throughout your game. So to do this, let's start by, we'll just go over to volumes here and we'll scroll down, find trigger volume, and we'll just drag one of those in. So I'm just going to place mine up here, just like that. Okay, so let's say this is the end of your level, you walk up the stairs, and this is the exit. So when you walk into this section, you want it to trigger the loading new level function. So to do that, we're going to have to create a second level. So go into your third person blueprint, we'll go to maps, and right here we're just going to duplicate the third person example map, and let's open that up. So here we are, it'll be exactly the same. So we'll take this volume, delete that, and I'll just get rid of all this stuff. It'll be an empty level, so you can see that we've made it to a new place. So we'll save this one and go back in to your third person, to your original one, and we'll open up the blueprints, open up the level blueprints. Just in here, what we want to do is take this and just select your trigger volume, and then back in here, right click, add event, we'll do collision, and on actor begin, overlap. So from here, on other actor, you want to drag out, cast to the third person character, get that, yep. So search for open level, and then in here in level name you want to put the exact same name that your level is called. So best way to do that is to just copy and paste that name, or you can change it to something simple. And in here, paste it, compile and save. Now if we jump into the game, if we go into here, it'll load up our new level and chuck us in. That easy. So now you've got the functionality down for that, and you can just easily replicate it throughout all your levels to lead you from one to the next. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.